Good morning, students. This is the third lecture of first chapter. Topic that we will cover today is functions of management. There are five functions of management, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. While discussing meaning of management in the first lecture, there we have come around the term process. We have seen process of management are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. And functions of management are also same. So functions of management and process of management are the same thing. Okay. So let us discuss one by one all the 5 points. Before discussing all the functions of management, remember one thing. These 5 functions of management will be discussed in 5 different chapters. Okay, so there are 5 different chapters for these 5 functions of management. Here we will just discuss their meaning. Okay, so one more thing, all these points we will discuss with one example. Okay, an example of your real life, that is last year we conducted Teachers Day program in our school and you all managed it. So we will take example of that only. Okay. So first function of management is the planning. Planning means determining in advance what is to be done and who is to do it. Okay. So before starting any activity, we we sit and plan for it. Okay. For example, in Teachers Day, you all first sat there together and you all plan for it, that how you will conduct the Teachers Day, what all the program will be conducted, all those things. So first we plan for the activity. Okay, so that is the first functions of management, that is before starting any work or activity, either in your personal life or in the business or in an organization, we first of all plan for anything. Okay, then second is the organizing. Organizing is the management function of assigning duties, grouping tasks, establishing authority, and allocating resources required to carry out a specific plan. Okay, so we planned whatever we planned, we have to arrange things to carry out the plan. Okay, so in organizing, first of all we assign duties. We assign duties means we think that how many persons are needed to carry out a activity. For example, in Teachers Day program, how many boys will perform dance, how many girls will perform dance. Okay, how many will do the welcoming part, anchoring part. So that was the assigning duties, establishing authority, and also arranging materials. That arranging materials means decoration part, refreshment part, all those things you arrange. Okay. So assigning duties among yourself, arranging materials for the Teachers Day program are the part of organizing. So that is the second function of management. Okay. Next process is staffing. Staffing means finding the right people for the right job. Okay, we started our any activity, you know, so we will need persons to do it. Like in Teachers Day program, you planned for the Teacher Day, then you organized. Okay, while organizing, you thought how many are going to do dance. Okay, so for dancing you need students or your friends. So finding the right people for the right job means you will find who can dance, who can sing. Okay, so that process is called as staffing. A very important aspect of management is to make sure that the right people with the right qualification are available at the right place and time to accomplish the goal of the organization. It means organization should have a right person and that person should have the qualification so that organization can achieve its goal. As in Teachers Day, suppose there is no one who can dance. So how can you perform a dance? That will be a problem. Okay, so you should have given the dance to that persons who can dance, who are having the qualification or quality of dancing. Okay, so finding the right people for the right job is the third functions of management. Okay, then fourth function of management is directing. Directing involves leading, influencing and motivating employees to perform the task assigned to them. You find out the people, you find out the persons to carry out the activity in third process, that is staffing. Okay, now you have the persons. Till you direct them how to carry out the function, okay, so they will not start the activity. So directing means leading or motivating the employees to perform the task. Till staffing there was no work was done. Okay, work starts from direction. After you give the direction, then only work will start. So directing is the very important part of management, and it is the fourth functions of management. Okay, last function of management is controlling. Controlling means monitoring organizational performance towards the attainment of organizational goals. Okay. Controlling means seeing that what you have planned is actually carried out or not. ठीक है, मतलब जैसे प्लान किए हैं वैसा ही सब कुछ चल रहा है या नहीं, to see that we perform the function of controlling. Okay, so task of controlling involve establishing standard of performance, measuring current performance, comparing this with established standard and taking corrective actions where any deviation is found. As in Teachers Day, before performing in the stage on final day, you all practiced for it. So while performing, you must have noticed that the real performance or the final performance is same as compared to the training, or it is more better. Okay, so that measuring final performance with the practice performance, the measurement is the controlling. Okay, and if you find any default there, you will take some corrective action. So in management also, when in organization also, when any activity is carried out, we measure it. We try to see that the actions are same as planned or not. If it is not same, we will take some corrective actions. Okay, and we will try to achieve our goals. So this is the last and very important functions of management. Okay. Okay, that's all for today's lecture. Hope you have understood the concept of functions of management very well. For any doubt, you can contact me. Today I am giving you homework that you have to do yourself. That is objectives of management and level of management. About level of management, let me tell you one thing. There are three levels of management, that is top level, middle level and operational level. Find out about all the three levels, okay, and submit it to me. In the next topic, we will discuss about coordination, the essence of management. This is the last topic. Okay. Thank you.